Well, good morning, everybody. Over at the Q, headed down to the warehouse where the set is for our Christmas in July big deal. Amazing candles. So excited about it. Thought I would give you guys a little sneak peek since you're not used to seeing me. Before In the Kitchen with David. So In the Kitchen with David is all food today. So it's like all holiday food. So the big deal is on just before that. So at 11:45, we're going to be sharing with you the fiber optic candles. Hi, Tammy. Hi, Sue. You guys have been absolutely loving all of our Christmas in July. Hi, Cheryl. Good morning. Hey, Cindy. Hi. You have been loving all of our Christmas in July goods. And I kind of feel like we saved the best for last. First of all, our 2-hour show the other night with David was so much fun. We had the best time. Hi, Patricia. Good morning. Good morning. I already ordered my candles. Bobby, you're so good. I'm just going to kind of sneak away where I can find a place where I can chat with all of you. Maybe I could do it over here, and then I'll bring you over and show you everything. All right, so let's talk. All right, so Angel's here. Bobby said she already got the candles. Sandra's jumping on. Sally's checking in from California. John's here. So anyway, back to good morning, Valerie. Hi, Ruth Ann. Jeez, I love everybody's jumping on. The show with David was absolutely incredible. You were so excited about so much of it, so I love that. Hey, Heather, good morning. Bobby's here. Oh, you got the footage, Ray. Oh, that's awesome. Sue's here. Good morning. Roxanne's jumping on. So that show was crazy. Loved the whole idea. Like, would love to do it again next year. So you guys have to like give us your ideas and tell us what you loved and all that good stuff. Oh, Tink's checking in from California. Good morning. Hopefully you have your cup of coffee or tea or whatever. I got so many things that night and I got one box already. Ooh, that's exciting. Ruth Ann saying she's already getting some stuff. Oh, Kristen is checking in from California. Well, you guys are up early on a Sunday. Oh, you got your large gumdrop. Oh, that's exciting. Matt's gloves and towels. Love the snowflake. Oh, well, Wendy, I don't know if you've seen the snowflake fiber optic candles, but they're stunning. Like, they will be the perfect. If you can stay on for a little bit, I'm going to walk you over and show you everything. Like, that's going to coordinate perfectly. You'll have all the accoutrements. So, just drove from a wedding in Morristown, New Jersey last night. So Ed just dropped me off, and now here I am. And then I am going to scoot after the show tonight and head to Asbury, where my bestie Amy and my goddaughter are in visiting. So I'm going to be able to see them for 2 days, which I'm very excited about. So it's a busy couple of days of just like being in all places at once. So, we'll get it all figured out, right? Isn't that what we do? That's absolutely what we do. Cheryl's checking in from North Carolina. Good morning. Janet's here. Cincinnati, Ohio. I look great. Well, thank you. It's probably because we're in some pretty dim lighting, so that's always like a good thing. Kelly's here and Denise is here. All right, so I figured I would show you guys a quick sneak peek of our candles because they are absolutely stunning. And they've already been wildly popular. So Q made them available, I believe, Friday at midnight. And you've already been shopping them like crazy. So thank you guys. That's amazing. And the item number is H429643. So I'm going to walk you over. There is a live show, so I got to kind of be a little quiet, but I wanted to show you all the different details on all of the different patterns so that you could kind of make your decision. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys first and foremost. This is going to be your holiday version. And here's what I love about the fiber optics. They actually, and it might be hard to see on the phone, but they actually like twinkle. So you have that beautiful pattern, 360 degrees of all of that beautiful twinkling and light that you see there. And then you have the 3 different sizes. So not a choice. You're going to get the 5, the 6, and the 7 inch. And it's really cool because we were able to find these mirrored Lazy Susans that actually spin. So now you can see all the different glittering and everything that we love there. So we didn't do a ton of holiday this season. It's always our scenes where we have like our Christmas tree with our cardinal, and of course we have Santa sitting by the fireplace. They all come individually gift boxed. So literally, if you were thinking about this as a gift, these are truly stunning. Then of course we have our beautiful metallic, where's the little on switch? Hold please. We have our beautiful metallic, and this is going to be your silver and gold. This is definitely like maybe a little bit more elegant, a little bit more, you know, that you want to layer in with some of your, you know, silvers and golds and some of more of that traditional. But really the fact that all those beautiful facets, all that light that's being thrown, is absolutely gorgeous. So there's the gift box, silver and gold, that's going to coordinate back with that. So there's a look, and then look at that flameless tip. I did it so it looks exactly like a flame, which is so beautiful, and they're all going to be twinkling. Look at how gorgeous the cardinal came out. And I think this is probably the easiest way for you to see the twinkling. You can really see that green popping. All of them do that. I just think this one probably shows the best. So there's a cardinal on each candle, and then you have that gorgeous poinsettia. So if you picked up the poinsettia pattern in our 2-hour show the other night, this is going to actually work back perfectly. Oh, Bobby said she finally decided on the poinsettia. That's awesome. They're really, really stunning. And then I was just talking about the snowflake. I'm going to turn this guy on just to kind of show you. Look how beautiful. These are all of your grays, from kind of that matte gray to that charcoal gray to that beautiful dove gray. They're real wax candles. They're flameless. They have a 6-hour timer, 18 hours off. And then look at that. That has that beautiful snowflake gift box as well. So again, I love that there's truly something for everybody. And then of course we couldn't leave out Whimsy. This one to me is like the most fun. So we did all 6 characters. We were able to do them on the front and the back. So you see there's your snowman, there's Santa, then peeking behind Santa is the penguin, there's Elf Bertie, then there's your gingerbread. So all 6 characters are on there. So that's really sweet too. And then look, it comes with a little string of the C9 bulbs with all of the cardinals floating around. So this is truly like that great bow and go. So here's what I love about that. All right, I'm going to stop this guy and just kind of give you, well, I think I'm going to stop it. Hold on. Are you going to stop for me? These are hilarious. All right, hold on. I'm probably speeding it up. Okay. I'm just going to take them off. So here you can really see how I was able to accent all of those C9 bulbs to pop in the color, and then that's what's twinkling. So you can really see kind of as they spin by all of the different looks there. Look at the gingerbread, and I just wanted to show you, like, there's Penny, there's of course our Santa, there's our snowman, and of course Wimbley, our reindeer. So really, really cute. So you have Whimsy. Of course we have that beautiful, and I'm just going to stop it so I get you guys off of the merry-go-round. But do you see how that's going lighter and darker? It's literally cascading the light, and that's what's beautiful about the fiber optics, that you can get them going up and down the candle instead of just a steady light. So I really think that that creates that twinkling, and that's why I love the fiber optic look of that. And then here, of course, we have poinsettia, and that's going to have your beautiful cardinal. And here you can see like the greens going in, the reds popping, some of the white detail there. So there you can see again the look there. You're getting all 3 sizes. So if you want to pick up a couple of sets, obviously you could layer these on your mantle. You could layer them down the table. There's your silver and gold. This is always one of those super popular color palettes that we do. So again, I love the fact that we have that. Hey Sheila, hi Ruth Ann. Sharon's here and Christine is here. And then last but not least, we have, and this one I'm going to slow down a little bit, we have our holiday scenes. So this is going to have that beautiful Christmas tree with the sleigh of gifts, with the cardinal that I do in honor of my dad on the mailbox. And then you have that look on both sides. Then we did the sleigh there. Look how beautiful, everything twinkling. And then last but not least, we did the Santa by the fireplace, and he's hilarious, and all his little helpers are down there, the snowman and the penguin. So again, we didn't do a lot of holiday this season, but we know that you love it. So I love that we were able to bring it into, again, our candles. And I just wanted to show you as you start to layer these down, maybe you've picked up our snowflake chargers, maybe you have our white woodland dinnerware, you were able to get our towels the other night. Big 2-hour show, you guys were amazing. But look, we took 2 sets and kind of just set them down on this beautiful table to kind of really give you, and there you can really see all of it twinkling. See that big snowflake? Just keep your eye right on that for a second. You'll see how it goes brighter and then softer and really just twinkles, which is what I love. All right, so as I mentioned, the item number already super duper popular, H429643. You guys can check that out. And then I will be on in about an hour and 15 minutes, 11:45. And then I'll be back with the final look tonight around 9:42, but I would not wait. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Since you're usually, hey Sherry, since you're usually looking for me and in the kitchen with David, it is all food this Sunday, which is also exciting because we all need some food, right? Need more candle pedestals. Oh, absolutely. Love that. Like, I want to bring back our cloches. So I have big plans. I want to incorporate peppermint and holly. Can you imagine peppermint and holly in those candles for next year? Like, what? So many great ideas. Keep them coming. Keep sending us all your suggestions. Hey, Tanya. Hi, Tammy. Hello, hello. Thank you for all the hearts. You guys make me feel so good. Kelly's checking in and saying hi. Of course, you know I did not put it on Do Not Disturb, so Lisa would be thrilled with me right now. But yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys your up close and personal look at all of them. Hey, Roxanne. And hopefully you'll stop by at 11:45 Eastern Time on QVC and check out our big deal. Pat and I will be showing it to you. Jen Botts just jumped on. Jen, I saw you got the Fab Four and all of our characters. I commented on your little picture. I hope you saw it. They all look so cute. Sneak peeks of Buffetti and Harvest. Can't wait. Yes, Carrie. Once we get through Christmas in July, I promise you we will start to share with you what we have up our sleeve for a very, very big Temptations Days month-long celebration. Wow. Like, it is actually quite breathtaking. Ooh, maybe some nautical Christmas. That's a great idea. I love that idea. Yes, the tray is something we got on the Amazon. It was actually Lisa's brainchild to like get something so that we could kind of show the illumination and also spin the pattern so you could see them. Yay, holly and peppermint next year, right? I'm telling you, we're going to do it in everything. You're going to be holly and peppermint out. All right, you guys, see you at 11:45. Please tune in. I'll be getting out of my, summertime. It's 9,000 degrees outside and putting on some holiday appropriate attire. All right, you guys, have a wonderful Sunday. Thanks for popping on, and I'll keep you posted with everything we have going on. See you in a little bit.